Shake your hands para lagi yung panlalangit ng katawan. Okay, then arms forward, down, up, forward, down, up, forward, down, and up, forward, down. Okay, tempo. Tempo. Okay, then you turn around. Turn around. Alright, then let's jump. Ready? Go! Okay, this time let's do the jumping jack. Ready? Go! Alright, very good. Clap your hands, kids. Okay, may ito na tayong gagawin yung Jollibee agreement natin. Sinong nakakalam ng Jollibee agreement? Taas kamay. Konti lang. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Okay, put your hands down. Don't worry dahil tuturuan kayo ni Ate Paula kung paano yung Jollibee agreement. Okay, pag sinabi kong hi, what do you think you will say? Hello! You will say? Hello! Okay, pag sinabi kong hi, ang sasabihin ng kids is? Hello! Hello! Pag sinabi ko namang hello, anong sasabihin ng kids? Hi! You will say hi. Okay, how about pag sinabi kong jolly, what will you say? Jolly. Ano sasabihin? Okay, you will say B. Okay, pag sinabi ko namang B, ang sasabihin ng kids is? Happy now. Okay, always be happy. Tandaan niyo yan. Okay, let's do it once again. Dapat sabay-sabay. Okay? Ready? Go! Hi! Hello! Hello! Hi! Jolly? And B? Happy! Alright, very good. Clap your hands, kids. I guess ready na ang ating kids for our game. So let's start our first game. Okay. Ang name ng ating first game ay Posh and Fab game. Okay, let's do it together. Ready? Go! Posh and Fab. Ready? Isa pa. Posh and Fab. Very good. Okay. Sa Posh and Fab game, okay, parang bring me game lang ito. Okay? And of course, walang talunan sa game natin dahil naghanda rin yung mami ni Aliana ng game prizes para consolation. O, diba? So, walang talo sa game natin. Okay, kids, are you ready? Yes or no? Yes! Okay, trial muna tayo. Trial muna, ha? Item. First item. Okay. First item. Magulo yung buhok ni Barbie. Okay. Ano yung kailangan ni Barbie para maging straight and shiny yung kanyang hair? Posh and Fab, go! Dali, 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 dali. Okay. Anong item ito? Okay. Sa comb or suklay? Very good. Comb or suklay? Okay. Baka may magdala ng toothbrush, ha? Oh, walang toothbrush. Okay. Suklay, suklay. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's have our next item. Dito tayo ulit. Paunahan tayo, paunahan. Okay, next item. Okay, listen. Sa card na ito, makikita natin ang picture, name, and signature ng may-ari. Anong card ito? Posh and Fab, go! Okay, dali, dali. Hanapin niyo yung card. Alright, very good. It's an identification card or ID. Sino pa? We need 4. Apat pa. Walang ID? Sayang yung game prize. Ayan, very good. Okay, present natin kay Kuya Sam. Okay. Alright, let's have our next item. Balik tayo ulit dito. Balik tayo. Okay, next item natin. Si Barbie and si Ken ay pumunta sa park. Kilala niyo si Barbie, di ba? Ang partner niya si Ken. Okay, pumunta sila sa park. Pero gusto nilang malaman kung anong oras sila pumunta doon. Anong kailangan nilang gamit or anong titingnan nila para makita nila kung anong oras. Posh and Fab, go! Okay, it's a wristwatch. Gusto nyo may dalang wall clock? Okay, last item. Listen. Okay, balik tayo na dito. Itago yung mga game prizes. Yung mga kids na may game prizes na. Okay. Next item. Si Barbie ay inspired sa pagguhit or sa paggawa ng mga poem. Okay. Alam niyo kung ano yung poem? Ano yung poem? Tula. Very good. Pero, papelak yung nasa kanya. Ano ba yung isang gamit na kailangan niya? Panulat. Okay. Ano yung bagay na kailangan niyang panulat para matapos niya yung kanyang poem or tula? Project Club, go! Okay, last item na ito. Last item. Okay, congratulations sa ating mga winners! Let's clap our hands, kids. Okay, let's form a big circle. Hindi pa tapos yung game. Okay, big circle tayo ulit. Big circle. Okay, make your circle wider. Okay, may tuturo ko sa inyong clap, kids. Okay, put your hands down. Put your hands down. Okay. Pag sinabi ni Ate Paula na sa Jollibee bida ang saya, you have to clap your hands. Okay? Ayan, you have to clap your hands. Pag sinabi kong sa Jollibee bida ang saya. Okay, ulitin ko. Anong gagawin pag sinabi kong sa Jollibee bida ang saya? You have to clap your hands. Gusto ko mas malakas. Sa Jollibee bida ang saya? Very good. Okay. Sa Jollibee bida ang tuwa? Oh, very good! Nakikinig yung mga kids natin. Sa Jollibee, bida ako? Wala. Okay, sa Jollibee, bida ang saya. Alright, very good. Okay, nakikinig yung mga kids natin. Okay, ang next game natin ay The Boat is Sinking. Okay, sinong nakakaalam ng The Boat is Sinking? Tas kamay. Okay, konti lang. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, put your hands down. Okay, pag sinabi kong The Boat is Sinking, group yourselves into 2. Anong gagawin? Okay, maghahanap kayo ng partner. Okay? Maghanap kayo ng partner. Dapat yung group composed of 2. Yes or no? Yeah! Alright, The Boat is Sinking. Group yourselves into 1. Group yourselves into 0. Into 1. Into 3.